Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this random text that you see here, move it up and down. We'll go ahead and start on the edit page. As usual, go to the media pool, right click, new Fusion comp. You can name it if you want, but you don't have to. And go ahead and leave it on 5 seconds. And go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That is the reason why it's up on the screen. Click away right about here. Shift space and S text. And shift space and extrude. Select the extrude. Get a merge. Camera. Light. And a render. Plug the render into the media out. Make sure it's in viewer 2. Go to one viewer for now and put the text you're liking in. Pick your font and everything now. And then select the camera node. Go to transform. Select use target. Rotate the translation Z-axis to the right. And you should start seeing the text. Go back to dual viewers. Put the merge in viewer 1. Select the render node. Change the render type from software to hardware. And enable lighting and shadows. And then select the light. If you look in viewer 2 right now, you'll see we have no light. That's because it's pointing behind the text. You can see in viewer 1. Go to transform. Select use target. Bring the light back. Up a little. Then go to controls. Open the cone angle all the way up. Put the S text in viewer 1. Zoom way in on it. It's a lot easier. And select the text node. Go into text box, right click. Character level styling. Then go to the modifier. As you can see, there's no controls here where the text is. As soon as you highlight one of these in viewer 1, you'll see it appear there. And we'll just pick a bunch of random colors. And the next one, trust me, this is not exactly like the one I did not too long ago. We're going to have these animating up and down, not just the colors. I'm going to fast forward through this. Okay. Put the extrude in viewer 1. We'll add some excursion to this. Select the extrude node. And set it to 0.006 or to your liking. Take the subdivisions all the way up. Smoothing angle all the way up. Select custom. And if you screw this up, right click on the box and reset. I like the bottom ones. Then the top ones, and hit F on the keyboard. Pull the handles all the way out. Select the text node. Go to modifiers. Right click in the text box. Follower. And go to shading. Size. Right click on the Y. Modify width. Shake. Change the maximum to 2. Go to the follower. Timing. Order. Change it to random, but 1 by 1. And give it a play. So we have going on. And go back to the shake. And you get your minimum. That's the minimum height. Go back to the follower. Turn the delay. Set it to your liking. Go back to the extrude. If you go up here at these 3 little dots, uncheck the checker underlay, you can see it better. Then go to transform. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.